Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip an image on the Pixlr Sweet Photo Editor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixlr application on your device, and you may also continue forward with the web browser version. After opening it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password, and after logging in, click on Pixlr Express in order to open up the AI editor. From here, you can open any image from your device, or you may use the AI image generator in order to generate a new one. After uploading your desired picture, you will now be taken into the editor. From here, just click on crop at the top section, and now you will see the rotate and flip settings. You can flip horizontally by clicking on the flip horizontal option, and you may do the vertical flip by clicking on flip vertical. After choosing your desired flip settings, go ahead and click on the save or the apply button, and now your changes will be applied onto the image right away. You may continue making further edits if you wish, or you can save your edit by clicking on the save button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to flip your images on the Pixlr Sweet Photo Editor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.